Thursday. It's a great day to vacuum my car. First you have to take out your trash. Shovel. This is cover for windshield.
You're just like my favorite song going round and round my head. Like my favorite song going round and round my head. 5 days on the freeway, riding shotgun with you. 2 hearts in the fast lane, we had big dreams in blue. Playing sweet child of mine, and I still feel that line. Where are you now? Where are you now? Hey, it's been too long ago, my love. Where did we go wrong? Too late to turn around.
We have to mop interior.
Hey, it's been too long. You're just like my favorite song going round and round my head. Like my favorite song going round and round my head. You're just like my favorite song going round and round my head. Like my favorite.
It's very windy and cold, so I will wash it today. Now I'm going to eat some soup to get warm inside my body.